Hello dear students, in this video I am going to demonstrate another activity of transfer of heat through convection. In my last video I have demonstrated about convection in liquid, wherein we have seen that how the actual motion of the particle was taking place in a circular motion. Here in this activity we are going to witness the convection in air. So let's perform an activity to see how convection in air is taking place. This activity we need certain material. I have prepared this graphic model which is made with the help of a cuboid shaped cardboard box. The front face of this box I have just taken out and I have taped a transparent plastic sheet in order to have the inner view. Okay. Then the inner background of this cardboard box has been taped with a black colored paper. We know a black color is a very good absorber of heat, and also I have placed a candle inside this box, and when I will just enlighten this candle, it will become the air inside this box will become hot, and we can actually see the clear view of convection current taking place in gases. This two cylindrical shaped chimney I have fixed over here, and let's see by performing this activity what happens. First of all, I need to just lit on the candle which is placed inside the box. Now what I have done, I have just enlightened the candle inside the box, and I will just bring an incense stick to the other opening of this chimney, and you will see all the gases which is coming out of this burning incense stick will get sucked into this box. So now you can see all the gases is just getting sucked into the box from one chimney, and from other end of the chimney the gas is coming out, and you can see a very beautiful view of convectional current in gases which is in a circular pattern. So this was the end of this activity, and though the candle is not burning, still you can find that from this chimney some gases are still coming out. Okay, because still inside the box we have some hot air which is just rising up from this chimney, and this is the circular motion which is known as a convection current, which was taking place in gases in the form of smoke which was coming out of the candle. Okay, so this was all about the convection current and the mode of transfer of heat through convection, in which actual motion of the particle was taking place in a circular motion. Thank you.